The 5 most luxurious private jets owned by football stars. And the number 1 is like a luxury villa flying in the sky. Number 5. Paul Pogba. He owns a Gulfstream G280 worth about 20 million euros. It can carry up to 10 passengers and is known for its speed and agility. It's perfect for long-distance flights without stops, with a range of about 6,600 kilometers. Number 4. David Beckham. Beckham owns a Bombardier Challenger 350, valued at around 23 million euros. It also seats 10 passengers and is famous for its reliability and comfort. It's ideal for short and medium-distance flights. Number 3. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Zlatan owns a Cessna Citation Longitude worth around 25 million euros. This modern executive jet can carry 11 passengers and is perfect for medium-range trips, with a flight range of about 6,500 kilometers. Number 2. Lionel Messi. Messi owns an Embraer Legacy 650, valued at around 35 million euros. The jet is equipped with a bar, kitchen, bathroom, flat screens, and onboard Wi-Fi. It's designed for long flights, with a range of about 7,000 kilometers. Number 1. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo owns a Bombardier Global Express XRS, worth about $23 million. Inside, it features a private suite, a separate shower, and a fully equipped kitchen. It's perfect for intercontinental flights without stopping, with a range of more than 9,000 kilometers and a speed of up to 900 kilometers per hour. Which jet impressed you the most?